All right, good day, everyone. Welcome back to another daily analysis for the price action decks. So for today, we're going to run through gold on the daily chart. Before we get into that, I would want to summarize basically what has occurred prior to Monday, should I say after Monday and Tuesday CPI. During the weekend analysis, I made mention of something. I think the last thing I spoke about was wanting to use this as a dealing range. I made that clear that I would want to use that level as a dealing range, and I would want to see price behaving, let's say, the premium to discount kind of stuff, or trade from discount to premium and premium to discount. And you can see exactly what happened. I think on last week, Thursday, we rejected the upper quadrant of that daily range I established when I spoke about it. And Friday, we rejected. On Monday, we had a displacement, a huge price movement towards sell side, and we traded back into the lower quadrant, which is a discount area. We traded there, and on Tuesday, which is yesterday, we traded from that discount. We swept the previous day's low, which was Monday's low, and rejected back into premium. Take note, above equilibrium, midpoint is premium, below equilibrium is discount. Now we've done that for the first 2 days of the week, and I remember I told you guys I would want to see what happens on the first part of the week to be able to establish a good bias. Now we have PPI today. We can as well wait for that as well to get a further confirmation. But prior to that, I'm just going to take this stuff out. I'll be, like I said as well, I'm interested in seeing sales. I'm largely bearish. You understand? So today, basically, I will still be interested in seeing sales. Basically, be interested in seeing sales. Depending on how we do trade around, let's say, this level, if we do trade outside this week, right here, take note, I graded that week, so you can see they are graded into quadrant. Let me make it a little bit thicker. So if we do start trading outside that level, I might be interested in seeing that selling price lower into previous days low. We have previous weeks low as well. So we're still largely bearish, and from the weekly time frame, you can see our objective is still visible. But that's basically it. Just before that, I'm still going to show you guys what DXY is doing. The weekly has a little bit of clarity. We took out previous week's high, and currently we are rejecting that level. So definitely we are going to see some sort of sweep of sell side liquidity. And if we're expecting this, then probably gold might see higher prices on gold. Back to previous days high. So keep an eye out for that. Don't be one-sided in your buyers. So on the daily, it's quite rough, but we can still make use of that. We swept previous week's high. Saw previous week's high right there, and rejected close below this fair value gap. Now that's a confirmation for lower price action back to the sell side liquidity on DXY. So keep an open mind for possible buys on gold. Despite us being bearish, there's a possibility we might see buys. Take note, we are still working within that range, that daily range, from this low to this high. So currently we are in discount, and just keep an open mind for that. Do not be so stuck to your buyers that you miss out on what market is doing. So that'll be all for today, guys. I'll keep you guys updated on the group. Do have a nice day, and yeah, be safe.